What's up, Frank here. So we've had some great response to the videos that we've been posting, and thank you for the discussions that I've had with people, and hopefully we can move forward on some of these projects. But I had a challenge, and Frank takes on challenges. So one of our old customers, their company actually takes steel plates and pipes and welds them together, different lengths, typically 4 foot I think is the average. This one is 3 1/4 inch OD. So approximately to MIG weld this to this plate takes about 20 seconds, and that doesn't count load and unload. So we have some simple tooling that I created. We're going to see if I can linear friction weld this faster than 20 seconds. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So we took on this challenge of welding a piece of pipe to a flat plate. Process right now is being done by a MIG welding process, which takes them about 20 seconds. Our goal and the challenge was to beat 20 seconds, and I would say we did that. Actually, the time to linear friction weld this piece was 3.25 seconds. So you could see the potential time savings that our process can bring to mainstream manufacturing. I look forward to any other challenges some of the viewers might have, whether it's something they're making now, presently, or something that they're looking at in the future. Once again, as I always say, give me a call, give me an email. I'm happy to discuss your application. And once again, stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.